Imagine zombies really exist in the world and unfortunately you are injured and being chased by them. What would you do? You want to run, you want to hide to save your life, but the only hiding places near you is the house with broken doors that can be entered by zombies that will eat your life. You know how the end will be. If you're a lobster, you wouldn't have to imagine. You will live this nightmare like your common days. I'm talking about lobster cannibalism. The lobster's behavior of eating their kind, mainly when they detect other lobsters weak due to their molting or shedding their shells. In fact, 93% of postlarvae and almost 1/3 of adult lobsters died due to cannibalism. The absence of the technological solution to solve the lobster cannibalism problem has caused Indonesia's low-level aquaculture's productivity. As a result, 97% of Indonesia's lobster production was from wild fisheries. And if these explored continuously, then lobsters will vanish one day. This is why lobster aquaculture should be intensified to ensure the lobster sustainability, which is stated at the Sustainable Development Goal, point 14. And right now, I'm Brawijaya Liana. We present to you the solution for solving the lobster cannibalism problem to increase the lobster aquaculture productivity and realize lobster sustainability by integrating a deep learning system. The honorable judges and audiences, I found out that the cause of the lobster cannibalism is the ineffectiveness of the shelters to protect lobsters, such as pipes, seaweeds, and perforated breaks. All of these shelters are supposed to be the lobsters' hiding places when they are molting or in danger. However, my big question is, how can you expect these shelters to protect lobsters when they have holes or gaps that allow other lobsters to enter, attack, and eat the weak hiding lobsters in it? It is no different from the house with broken doors that can be entered by zombies, resulting in high mortality rate and loss of lobster aquaculture. Therefore, I propose the smart shutter system that can automatically close when the lobster is in danger, mainly when they are molting or sensing the cannibal predator. Previous study found out that the lobster creates anti-predatory sounds when they detect the predators around them and carapace vibration during molting. So I use the deep learning method to learn automatically this complex lobster sound spectrogram that seek protection using convolutional neural network algorithm or CNN. After being learned automatically with CNN, the model is then tested and built to detect anti-predatory sound, carapace vibration, and non-target sound. Next, this CNN model will be integrated into the microcontroller of the shelter to instruct the shelter gate to close when the acoustic sensor detects anti-predatory sound and carapace vibration and remains open when the non-target sound is detected. With this solution, lobstermen are free from worrying about losing their source of income since lobsters are saved from cannibalism. This also increases the lobster's aquaculture productivity and reduces the lobster's wild fisheries that ensure the lobster sustainability in Sustainable Development Goal, point 14, that regulates about the conservation and sustainable use of the oceans, sea, and marine resources for sustainable development. It also supports government target of dominating up to 50% of the global lobster market and support making Indonesia 4.0 in realizing Indonesia as a global top 10 economy. The honorable judges and audiences, I know that my goal of ideas seems big as its Indonesia aspirations, but how will I predict it will succeed? Well, I want to answer with this fantastic quote. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Thank you.